What's going on, everybody? Dylan here with Espresso Outlet, and today we have in front of us our very newest member of the Turin lineup, and this is the hand grinder. It's the Turin H40 version 2. So in this video, really quick, just to get out of the way, this is the box that it comes in. We're gonna go ahead and set this off to the side here. So we are gonna be taking a closer look at this hand grinder and a couple of the features that I really love. So just to start out with, I love the ergonomics of this hand grinder. It's built super well, super easy to hold. It's got a nice grip here, as you can see. Get a little closer. It's got the nice Turin logo on the actual grinder itself. And there's just a ton of cool things about this hand grinder that I want to go over and share with you all. So this thing is built super well. It weighs about 600 and something grams. It's got a 40-gram capacity in here. It's got a really nice numbering system here where it's really nice and easy to read. It's got an arrow here to show you which grind setting that you are on. And it's super easy. You don't have to make any adjustments at the bottom here. You actually make all the adjustments at the top just by twisting this dial here. So super nice, super easy. You don't have to have this on to make the adjustments. But every time you make an adjustment, I do recommend that you put this back on. Just go around a couple times and then take the remainder of the grinds out, and then you're good to go. But one thing I really want to talk about with this is it's super premium. It's built out of aluminum, and it's got a really nice magnetic attachment here. So it actually just attaches with the catch cup with a very powerful magnet. So let's talk a little bit about this catch cup. One thing that I really love about this catch cup is that it actually acts as a blind shaker. So this bottom piece actually comes off, as you can see. You can do one of two ways. You can either just put the blind shaker on like this and put it on and go ahead and start. However, I don't recommend this way just because if it does come off just from the vibration of kind of moving it around and turning it and grinding, I do recommend that you keep this attachment on, and it's super easy. It just threads in right from the bottom. And then you can just place this right inside like so. All right, so I actually have the Breville 58mm portafilter here. So let's say you just finished grinding all of your grinds. First thing you're gonna do is actually unscrew this bottom piece here, and it actually fits perfect right in there. Now, if you do want to make this a blind shaker and shake this, you can actually use this top piece right here, or the bottom piece you can call it, set it on the top, and then use it to shake. Carefully take this off, place inside your portafilter, and then I like to give it a quick shake, maybe a tap or two, and then lift. And then all the grinds are straight from your catch cup into your portafilter, and it's super nice and easy. That's one thing that I absolutely love about this hand grinder. Now, yes, grinding for espresso with a hand grinder can be a little bit of a chore. However, I actually enjoy the process of making the espresso. So if you're not in a hurry, or you don't mind maybe grinding for like a minute, minute and a half, maybe 2 minutes depending on the coffee that you're using, I definitely recommend this hand grinder as it's really nice to use with that. Now, you don't need to use the blind shaker. You can actually just grind straight into it. I always like to give it a couple knocks, and then it releases a lot of the grinds from the bottom and into your cup. And then you can actually just come right here and go straight into the cup. Or if you're using this for a pour over, then you can just dump it right into whichever brewer that you use. So it is online right now and available at Espresso Outlet. You can actually purchase it for $139. It's a really nice hand grinder. I've absolutely enjoyed using it. The unboxing experience is awesome. The feel of this is absolutely great. And I just think that you're gonna be very pleased with this new hand grinder by Turin. So as always, my name is Dylan with Espresso Outlet, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace.